condensed glue gel. So I'm going to do one at a time with all of you so then we can enjoying it. Hey artists, thank you so much for tuning in. How are you? Hey Rebels. Oh, thanks Mama Vic. Thank you Bella. I love to see all of your faces. I wish I get to see you all in person. It's one of my wishes. I got to able to see any of you in person, even if I get to see you in the street show when where you're stayed at, because we travel a lot to different states to help so many different nail techs out there. Or even if you are not in the field, if you go in a street show, we'll love to see you, and then we absolutely can do some designs on your nails for you. That is my goal. I got to see you all in person. That would be awesome. So I'm using condensed glue gel again and blend it out because you don't need too thick. You also don't need it too thin. I'm opening this bottle with, did I open it again? Sorry, I'm opening it so I don't want to. This is the no wipe top coat. I need the one with no label. No. So I'm gonna floating the top coat on the top. Floating it means that you don't drag and then just heavy brush it on because you don't want to take your condensed glue gel away. So here is your lipstick. This is so cute. Here you go, she had it on her lips. Hey Eric. Hey. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations. The team love all of your names and it's so hard to pick. You guys need to stop making really cute names. It's so awesome. It's just great. We got to see so many of your names, like Debbie name, Cece, Mama Vic, Laurie, like a lot of, you name it. Okay, so here. I think it's good. I'm gonna flash gear this one quick and then we go into the next nails. Hope you like that. It's so different though. Look at that whole lipstick right there. All right, so I'm gonna keep this one. It's different for me and I really enjoying it because you see me a lot with like crystal charms and I've been lately we have so many requests for the charms and all the charms and different unique like metal art. So that's why we are doing like incorporate. Okay, so 10 seconds. It is. Looks not bad at all. She's getting it on her lip. It's really cool. Okay, let's go into the next one. Again, I have my condensed glue gel here. Just in case you're just tuning in, this is Crystal and Charm and Chains bestie. I'm not gonna lie to you because you don't know how much I appreciate it because I love Crystal all the times. And I always try to find, even when I was in college, when I was little, it's something is fun that I'm talking. My kids laugh at me all the time. When I was little, at 4th grade, my mom's gave me all the money for snack. I saved that to buy nail polish. and a lot of cute, unique charm and stuff. Back then, many years ago, you don't have a lot of cool stuff, but some of them I made myself. I even made the wreaths myself for Christmas, and made all different like flowers, and then so give it to the friends who is in high school, middle school, who is really like their girlfriends or the boyfriend in class, and they don't have money to buying it. So I would make their flowers. If I go to the store, I see the flower, something like that, I can able to do it. I don't know how and I don't know why, I just do it. And they're so happy because, like, you know how kids, they don't have money, and then I just get some money saving of my mom gave it to me a snack. I bought the material and then made it for like the boys in the class, like some girls, and they want to give some roses. So I made that. So I don't know, it just come like that, and I always like something like really different.
Yep. So for everybody wondering what the name of this voice set is, it's number 47, Loving Flamingo.
Loving flamingos. I love this. It's so cute. It's feel like, all right, so here debating, I couldn't make up my mind. Okay, the bottle of perfume or the bows. You got to choose. Can you see it from the screen? All right. So, okay.
Do the bow. You already got perfume.
Perfume. I have.
You got lipstick. You got perfume on the other one. Colorful.
I have perfume here. Oh, I have perfume here. So both different, you think?
Yeah.
Hey, Tammy. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hi, Shayna. Thank you. What are you using under your hand? Shayna? Is this one? This, do you mean this one? Oh, this one is really cool. I'm going to tell you a story about this when I flash gear this quick. So, both. Okay, Whitney. Love the bows. Eric's, here you go. Constrict right here. Oh, look at that. It's so fancy. Well, in love with this bow. Super cute. Let it get closer. It look like the heels get a bows. You think?
It's just like you give a present.
Okay.
You give that pair of shoes as a present, so you tie a bow on top. Crystal bow.
All right.
Fancy gift.
Okay, now I'm flash gear first, and then I'm gonna move on to the next one. Keep it flat. So, story about this, because all the crystal that we selecting with really good quality, and some of them are selecting, and some of them defect, like from chip off a little bit, and like have a manufacturer's defect. So then I got all of this. They're not perfect. You can't tell it from far away. So I just love the crystal so much, and I feel it's just like abandoning them. So I adopt them. I collect them all, like 1,000 of pieces, and then I put them in the cute brush. I do it all different brushes, and a lot of I even put in my shoes, so you can't even tell from far away. But at least that we give the little cute crystal second chance to shine, you know. So you can't tell, like this guys had a little bit broken right here from manufacturer defect right there. You can't tell. So when we're selecting all the luxury jars to send it to you, they all like selected. So some of them are like not shiny enough, or like just a little bit crack on the edges. So I put it in to let it shine. So here you go. This crystal still got chance to shine in their life. All right, so I'm gonna go into this one. What should we do with this one? We only have the little one is I like. Here's a cherry here. Should we do it?
Yeah,
no?
Just like that. So cute.
So cute. Okay, so you need crystal here on the lipstick part?
You might as well.
Like this? Okay, good. It's really, oh, it's sticky though. So condensed glue gel. Hey, Chrissy, how are you? Hi, Michelle. Lady Ty? Yes, you can find all our products, ladies, from our official website, Glitz accessory and such. I'm gonna using condensed glue gel again. If you are like really worried about crystal coming off, you want to check this guy out. The condensed glue gel is everything. I think I might have a little bit too much. It's a little one jar of this go a long way. It's so thick density, and it's so, like, you can't, it's not gonna move anyway. I just try not to shake and hit the camera. So if you see me on the Twitch show, I like do that all the time. Because it has no camera in front, just only you and me, and then you see me always shaking it. So, and no wipe top coat. I get this bottle closed so then it won't spill anyway. And floating on, and a lot of question why I'm floating on the top, because you don't want to use the techniques like really heavy touch is my drag all your condensed glue gels away. And second, when you do this, between the condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat will grab the base of your crystal and the charms in one place. So I'm gonna add some crystal, which is the red, nice scarlet red here, just little, just give it a little bit shy, and a cherry right there. I'm so happy because I can wear it now. I sealed really well this. You can't touch, you can't feel any like scratchy at all, because that precision glue does all the work for us. All right, so I think it's good. I'm gonna clear this one. Maybe I'll move a little bit down. Okay. Does that look not bad, do you think? Hope you like it. Okay, great. I'm gonna clear completely them 60 seconds for all of them. Good. Yep, just make sure I'm careful.